Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and welcome to this video with a gift idea using this little towel that I picked up at a store using Honeybee Home and this Happy and Heartfelt stamp set that's on the last chance list currently. So I'm taking two pieces of designer paper and cardstock, and I coordinated it with colors from the dish towel. And the designer paper is cut 3 1/4 inches square, and the cardstock is cut 3 1/2 inches square, just to layer and use as a tag on the front of the towel. So you can take any label or punch or piece to stamp your sentiment and image. Again, this is the thank you from the Happy and Heartfelt stamp set that will no longer be available after June 30th. And then the B from Honeybee Home, and I'm going to stamp that, and notice I put it to the right side because I have some embellishing that's going to go on the left side. So I'm taking some of our alcohol markers, our Stampin' blends in Daffodil Delight and Basic Black, and coloring the bee. And so I'm just outlining the legs here, and then I'm going to use a Wink of Stella glitter brush to just add a little bit of accent to the wings there. So it's just really simple stamping and coloring for my tag. So now I decided I wanted to add some flowers. So I chose 3 colors of cardstock that coordinated with the little dish towel. And I have Cajun Craze, Flirty Flamingo, and Crushed Curry. I'm going to punch 2 medium daisy punches with from each color. And I'm going to layer these together to make the flower a little more full. So this is easily done by just putting a little bit of glue in the center of one and then attaching together where the petals are in between the petals from the back flower to make it more full. So now I have that. So now I just want to get some, these are some retired adhesive dots. And I'm using a yellow for the center of 2 of those. And then for my yellow flower, I'm just coloring one of those other light colored dots with a Sharpie marker. You could also use an alcohol marker, and I'm using that for the center. So now I'm going to start assembling this. I'm going to glue the tag onto the layered designer paper and cardstock. And then I'm going to take a hole punch and punch a hole on each side. I like to do this for these type of towels. If you've seen my videos before, you know I do this all the time for gifts. I'm always on the lookout for cute kitchen towels or tea towels. And so I'm trying to decide what ribbon to thread around it, and I've decided to bring out the black and white and go with this black and white gingham check. So I'm just going to go behind the tag and through the hole on the other, punched on the other side, and wrap it around the towel. I'm going to put it right there beneath the lid of the jar that's on the towel. And then I'm going to pull it, and I like to leave the ends fairly long because I think that ribbon tied into a bow on that one side looks really pretty. So I just position that where I want it. I'm going to tie a bow, just very simply, and then I'll trim the ends to match one another. So now all I have to do is place these little flowers on to make a pretty little embellishment, and it goes well with the theme of the towel. Just using a little bit of liquid glue there and filling in that white space. You could do this as elaborate or as simple as you want, but it makes a great little gift. So I hope you'll give that a try. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com for more ideas, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.